Yo, what is going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. Me and my boy Mob and Fam.
That is me.
But yeah, we just pulled up to pick apart, and Joseph found an IS on the website, and he's gonna get the fenders off it. So hopefully it's still there. We're gonna get the fenders. He's gonna drop off some wheels at a shop to get them fixed, and we'll see where this vlog goes. Hey Joseph, so what happened?
Don't talk to me.
What happened, Joseph?
So, when Jesse sent me the picture, it said 15 minutes ago the car was updated, and it was perfect. And then we got here, and the car was messed up.
So ultimately, this is Jesse's fault, right?
No.
No, it's Jesse's fault.
No.
It's 100% Jesse's
no.
fault.
No, you tried to help.
Alright, man. Don't be nice about it. It's Jesse's fault. Alright, guys. Today is nothing but a big fat L. So I went to the junkyard. The IS at the junkyard was literally getting ran through. There's like 5 guys working on it. There's like 2 inside, 2 on the outside, and there's 1 guy on the bottom. Oh, here's Joey. Anyways, we get to this tire shop right now because Joseph wanted to buy some MB battles, and what happened, Joseph?
They don't make them anymore.
Yeah, they're freaking discontinued, guys. So today's a big fat L. But
they had one in Texas.
yeah, they only had 1.
You didn't sizing on you, bro.
Thanks, dude. Hey, the beanie's back. The beanie's back.
Oh, that's the Joey I know.
No, man.
Battles anymore?
Hey, there's only 1 left in Texas.
It's a sign on the bottom.
Yeah, low key.
Just gonna buy some spinners. I don't know if I want to do it.
We're here at the liquor store. Andy's gonna buy some beer for me.
What do you mean you
I'm
want
not
to?
21.
I don't know if I want to.
Joseph, there's somebody out.
I'm not 21.
Bro, what do you want, Joseph?
Okay.
You look like a Budweiser type of guy.
No, I'm a Mike's Hard Lemonade, dude.
What do you want, Joey? Since you're not 21 and I'm illegally buying you beer.
Oh, you're illegally buying me beer?
A 4 Loco.
Oh, I need 3 4 Locos.
Get some E-Buzz.
Nah, you're trying to get fucked up.
No.
Alright.
Let's see what Andy drinks on the regular.
On the regular?
Michelada. Right there, the Modelo Michelada right there.
Man, this is what all the ratchet bitches drinking.
Are you gonna drink or not?
I don't think so. I don't
You
know.
don't think so?
I do want to.
I'm only drinking if you're drinking.
Really?
Yeah. Let's get some cheap shit, bro. Look at that.
Okay.
What a steal.
Alright.
What a steal.
I'm down for it.
Bro, do we hate ourselves that much?
Is it really that bad?
I don't know, you eat hangry
You had a
chickens.
41, right?
I've never had Cobra.
Huh? Yeah.
I let him win.
Yeah, get the chills every time.
Alright guys, so we're back at my pad, and this is Joey's, and he says his first time looking at the new project car.
Hell yeah, bro. 2JZ.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Shit.
Yeah, I got my FD Pro chassis.
Well, how come you said the firewall's not legal? The way it's cut?
The way it's like welded and shit, I don't know. Could be wrong. Looks kind of sketchy. All this.
Hey, I'm gonna title the video, because obviously I'm not. Wait, is he plastic dipping his mirrors?
No, he's painting it black.
Oh, well, obviously I'm not gonna title the video painting his mirrors because
We should put the boxing gloves on and both of us just stare at that.
Fat L's.
Joey versus.
I'm gonna title the video Oh no, he's doing it again. It's gonna be my expression, bro. What is he painting this time? Bro, I need something clickbaity, bro. I can't title it Joseph Paints Mirrors, bro. That's gonna get like 3 views.
Painting lip for the 50th time.
Loki, I could probably make this. There, this is a thumbnail, yeah. So what's going on, Joe?
Getting ready to paint some more shit. Not for me though.
Who the guy? A boy rocking that drift setup.
I had the same thing and no one said anything.
Dang.
So what's going on here, Joseph?
Bro. So, I put these in my trunk.
Cool.
And
Guys, I haven't showed you his new taillights in daylight, but yeah, guys, some of you guys thought these were covers. These are legit taillights. He bought them like that. They're actually like, I don't know if they're glued on there, but yeah, guys, they are like that. He didn't buy the covers. He bought the whole taillight. So yeah, they look pretty badass.
what?
Yeah, guys, it's crazy. We've been working really hard lately, and we've been able to afford our very own paint booth.
You just bought a tree.
You're like, I just fucking got that.
Point your sausage fingers at me.
Yeah, guys, with that backfire. But yeah, guys, with a lot of hard work, guys, you can get your own paint booth too. Like, look at this, guys.
Just go to Home Depot.
Just the other day, we were laying down newspapers, cardboard on the floor, and now we out here at the
You're
paint booth.
just killing the tree.
Not my tree.
What'd you wish for?
Hey, that all goes on his paint.
Sticks.
When Joseph doesn't do anything right, Joey has to paint it for him.
Joey's the plug.
Joey Schlong.
I'm sure. This is what you use to paint your lip?
Yeah.
Should wait for the boom.
They grow up so fast.
Just the other day, they're playing catch. No, don't put that on the side. What? I'm gonna grab it.
Damn. That reflection, though.
Low key, if you buffed it, like if you have Marcel buff it, it'll come out good. Cause that's orange peel right there.
Yeah, that'll come out.
But that'll come out easy.
I still need to boof my shit. To boof it.
Actually,
Guys, you want to know the difference between these two? Alright, let's get a good look at them, alright? Alright. Can you guys spot the difference? Can you? So what's the difference, Joey? What's the difference between those two mirrors?
Joseph painted one and Joseph painted one.
The EF and EPH.
Alright, since these dumbasses don't want to tell you, alright? This one was painted with glass paint, and this one was painted with semi-gloss, and they look the same. Did you clear? Did you clear it yet?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah. We should delete the rest of that footage.
Push this shit there.
Guys, the mirror's still wet, but you know.
It's not wet. It's tacky.
Oh. I want to touch the door.
Ow, 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 ow.
You can pull the bottom.
Got a Sharpie? No.
That concentration, though.
You got the top one?
Started. Where's your tin?
It'll be right on the other side, the purple one.
Our shit does look pretty clean. So, guys, that's what it looked like before.
I hate having another eye so
So the reason Joseph painted is because it had like a shitload of scratches, so this does look way better.
Let me
It
see.
doesn't look that bad to me.
It doesn't.
Oh, it looks nice.
Especially if you buff it. Oh yeah.
Damn, we do
That
need
shit
to
does
paint
look pretty
that
clean.
more.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see.
What does Joey think? What does Joseph think? More importantly, it's your car.
If you want mine, you can have mine. That's all.
He's like, you know what? I don't like it.
No, I don't know. That's cool. That's,
I don't like it. It's cool.
it's not bad.
So that's not bad. If you want to trade though, I'll take it.
Yeah. Yo, guys. So All right, guys. So yeah, you guys always comment, you know, vlog, even if it's your guys' just daily shit. Well, guys, I tried vlogging. Literally, not much happened, and I only uploaded twice last week.
That's what happened, bro. We tried.
Yeah, we tried. Like, honestly, like, this vlog is probably like a solid 7 minutes. Solid.
It would have been a hard ass vlog. We did so much. Even Marcel too, bro.
I was just
Yeah, Marcel was gonna come, but he got caught up working on a CRV. So, guys, with this daylight savings, it's kind of hard because it's kind of hard to get the whole squad together. They usually pull up later, and now with the daylight savings, like, guys, what time is it right now, Joseph?
4:47.
4:47, guys, and
Are you ready for bed?
yeah, I'm ready to go get tucked in. So, yeah, guys, I would continue tomorrow, but I don't know if anything is going down tomorrow. Squad doesn't really hang out on Sundays, so yeah. So yeah, guys, we tried. Honestly, we're counting on Joseph finding fenders, but
Sorry.
yeah, Joseph took a fat L today. So like, low key, guys.
I disappoint you guys.
No, like, guys, you should feel bad because we literally drove like a cool hour to the junkyard.
In the Lexus.
In the Lexus, scraping everywhere, and just to be at the junkyard for like 3 minutes, and that was it. And then he wanted to buy some MB battles. So Joseph did want to buy MB battles, but they got discontinued. So guys, if you guys have any MB battles, but what specs you looking for?
18 by 9.5 plus 23 offset, or 15. Honestly, doesn't make matter at this point. So
Yeah, guys. So 18 by 9.5.
yes.
So yeah, guys, whatever offset, Joseph. Wait, you only want the pair, right? Or what if they give you a good deal on all four?
I'll buy all four.
All right, guys, hit up Joseph. You guys got any MB battles? 5 by 114, and yeah. So yeah, guys, if you guys have any MB battles or know of any, hit up Joseph.
Thank you.
But yeah, guys, please hit him up. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed or hated this vlog, let me down in the comments. But even if you hated it, guys, give it a thumbs up. You know, why not? Why not? Just give it a thumbs up, alright? But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, like it. If you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm sure, guys, I'm guaranteeing you we have way more lit content coming. It's just, we're just trying to get vlogs up for you guys because you guys asked for them. It's hard coming up with solid content. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video, right, Joey?